This is how you embed a video into your forms. It's really easy. I already started a form, which is a video quiz. Then I'll describe it. And then I'll add a video. You see right there, there's a button to add video. So you add video, you choose the video you've been looking for in YouTube. If you have something else, then you'd have to use the URL for the video. But let's suppose we're watching Eiffel Tower videos. And then, yeah, it's easy as that. Then I'll just do the question. I'll write the questions. I'll choose a type of question, which in this case would be a short answer, and then I'll do just all the other questions I need. After it's done, I'll just save it, post it to Classroom, or send it to my students, and you can see what it looks like. Thank you.